In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious peanut butter cup s'mores dip. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need mini Reese's cups, mini marshmallows, and graham crackers. We're going to start by spraying a cast iron skillet with cooking spray. Unwrap all of the mini Reese's and line the bottom of the skillet with them. Top with the mini marshmallows. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. While it's in the oven, we're going to break up the graham crackers into quarters. Our peanut butter cup s'mores dip is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.